Welcome to my channel guys, how are you? So guys, crypto exchange Gemini lists Shiba Inu as number of holders increases. Gemini lists Shiba Inu. The crypto exchange announced its latest additions in a blog post on Friday. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. I'm going to show my own prediction on the chart. We are delighted to announce support for Shiba Inu, as well as a range of new DeFi, metaverse, infrastructure, and data management tokens. The company said, "Please don't sell the Shibas you have and let's enjoy the wealth together." Shiba Inu Audius, Mask Network Wrapped Centrifuge, Quant, Radical, Burn, SuperArray, Fetch.ai and Numeraire are now supported for deposits and custody on Gemini. SHIB's recent listing on Gemini's platform is a sign of how much users are demanding the coin. In fact, the petition for another major exchange, Robinhood, to add support for SHIB is still ongoing. At the moment, the petition already has 532,237 signatures. However, Robinhood recently indicated that it is not rushing to add any new coins to its platform. Last week, Christine Brown, Robinhood Crypto's CEO and VP of Product Operations, talked about her company's crypto strategy at a conference. Responding to a question about whether the exchange will list SHIB, she replied, "When it comes to our strategy of what we are going to list, the first thing is that we're not going to talk about it. So I'm not going to break that news here, unfortunately." She further explained that the company's strategy is different from others like Coinbase, who are racing the list as many assets as possible. "We want to make sure we are working and assessing everything from a regulatory perspective very well. And we are a safety-first company, so that's how we're going to play it." As Gemini lists Shiba Inu, new records reveal 7 out of every 10 SHIB hodlers are currently in gains. Coinbase, on the other hand, is eager to list many cryptocurrencies. Earlier this month, the exchange announced that Shiba Inu is now available to New York residents. Although, it has been offering SHIB on its platform since June. Number of SHIB holders on the rise as SHIB grows in popularity. More and more people want to get their hands on it. The latest data statistics, according to crypto prediction website, Into the Block, has shown that 7 out of every 10 Shiba Inu holders are currently smiling to the bank on their initial investment. The index shows that just about 11% of active investors in the hotly competitive K9 coin still hover around the break-even zone, with the rest yet to record significant gain, mostly due to their time of entrance onto the market. Of the total SHIB holder army, only 36% have held SHIB for less than 30 consecutive days. This signifies a correlation between the percentage of profit takers and the time period spent on speculative possession of SHIB. Nonetheless, its growth has remained tremendous over the last 4 weeks, with an average of 7,300 new holders recorded per day in the last 30 days. The major attraction being its tremendously cheap price, significant value increase, and an aura of ripe hype. Despite its sprawling growth, SHIB continues to come under intense criticism from nifty analysts who believe its handful of mega whales possessing and controlling close to 80% of its total supply is a red flag. Only last week, a $2.3 billion worth of transaction covering over 40 trillion units of SHIB was undertaken by a single whale, poking a massive black hole into SHIB's $30 billion market cap and sucking $7 billion off it. The block activity has seen close to $5.5 billion in transactions over the last 7 days, with over 52% of such transactions reportedly carried out by SHIB investors in Europe and America. Given its hype-centric nature, the competition to outdo the Apex dog-themed token, Dogecoin, and a petition to get a spot on Robinhood has seen it rally to a 3-week milestone gain of close to $50 billion in total market cap. It raked in close to $800 million in a single day, on the wings of its Coinbase listing back in September. The meme coin has skyrocketed nearly 600% since the start of October alone and is up well over 3,500,000% since inception last summer. This return includes a more than 40% fall from its all-time high just weeks ago. Meme coins like Shiba Inu could create mind-boggling wealth in a short period of time, but they can also turn against you just as quickly. Looking for a longer-term bet that could also create game-changing investment returns? 3fool.com contributors think Lemonade, Universal Display and Markter worth a look. Here's why. Attempting a coup in insurance. Nicholas Rossilillo, Lemonade. Over a year since its initial public offering in the summer of 2020, Lemonade has made quite the round trip. Shares are down 8% since their debut in public trade, but down 67% from all-time highs notched in January 2021. Even for individual stocks, which can swing wildly up and down, Lemonade's boom and bust thus far have been impressive. But enough about the stock, let's talk about Lemonade the business. The company is growing its number of insured customers at a rapid pace, up to this point primarily by offering renters, homeowner, pet, and life insurance. Total customers increased 48% year over year to over 1.36 million at the end of the third quarter of 2021, and in force premium, the value of active insurance policies, was up 84% year over year to $347 million. This is still a small insurance upstart trying to use technology to disrupt a massive global industry. The company just made its biggest new product launch yet, Lemonade Car, to go after the huge US auto insurance market. To accelerate its nationwide rollout, Lemonade is acquiring Metromile in an all-stock deal worth about $500 million at the time of the announcement, or just over $200 million when subtracting Metromile's net cash on balance. Metromile itself has not fared well since its own IPO early in 2021, but plugging its auto insurance licenses and driver data into Lemonade's machine learning platform could be interesting. As of this video, Lemonade's enterprise value is at just $2.7 billion. The company operates at a steep loss. Free cash flow was negative $102 million through the first 9 months of 2021, so this aspiring insurance disruptor isn't for the faint of heart. However, flush with over $1 billion in cash and equivalents and no debt, Lemonade could be an incredible growth story if it can continue to expand in the years to come. This technology has a lot of untapped market share to capture, which are issuing new card products with crypto-linked spending and rewards programs. Last quarter, revenue grew 56%, ahead of analyst expectations, and losses per share were also better than expected. Importantly, while the company is still heavily investing in operating expenses to capture its growth opportunity, gross margin expanded by 3 percentage points over the prior year quarter. That's a great sign for future margins. While Marqeta gets an outsized portion of revenue from a single client in Square's concentration of revenue decreased from 72% a year ago to 68% last quarter, and customers outside the top 5 grew their payments volume a whopping 226%. Even since the quarter ended, Marqeta already announced several impressive new customer wins in October, which bodes well for the future. Marqeta isn't cheap, trading at over 20 times next year's earnings estimates. But its leading position in the huge addressable market of card payments gives it long-term upside normally associated with crypto, but with more diversification across the broader fintech landscape. Shiba Inu coin hits 1 million holder milestone. According to SHIB auditor 1 million Shiba Inu hodlers. This isn't the only Shiba-related milestone this month. On November 5th, a petition to list SHIB on Robinhood reached 500,000 signatures. We've come to the end of the video, guys. I hope you understand what I want to say. Express your thoughts by commenting. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.